So I've lost $100,000. Now I'm a YouTuber and I know a lot about clickbait. Trust me, I'm a professional clickbaiter. And this is one of the times where I really wished it was clickbait. Like, I wish I was thinking in my head, okay, what should I title this video? Make the thumbnail so people would click on it. I wish I was doing that. But I honestly lost more than $100,000 in the past week alone. So we all know cryptocurrency has just slapped everybody in the freaking face the past month. Well, not even the past month, the past week, give or take more than a week. But it's completely slapped everybody in the freaking face. It's sent millions of people into spiraling depression. It's made me question reality itself. It's been a very hard week or weeks for the strong crypto believers, but that's what we signed up for, right? So in this video, I'm going to kind of show you guys how much I lost, but also show you guys why I think the market crashed. Well, the market fixed itself. I'll get into that later. And also show you guys how you can profit instead of panicking from all of these red days. So let's back up a little bit. Crypto has blessed everybody this year, if we're being honest. If you got in last week or 2 weeks ago, you probably hate cryptocurrency. You probably sold everything you have. You probably never gonna invest in cryptocurrency again. But if you invested in crypto a month ago, 2 months ago, a year ago, crypto has blessed, you feel me? It's been a pretty good year for crypto. We've had gains from Ethereum in the past year, 1,200%. We've had gains from Bitcoin, 1,000%. We've had all these other coins making, I've seen one coin, actually one that I'm invested in, that has gains of over 100,000%. That is ridiculous. So, on the grand scheme of things, it has been a great year for crypto. We have had a lot of new developments, a lot of new technology coming out on the blockchain. We've just had a lot of great things going on in crypto. But these past 2 weeks completely just wiped out all the happiness we ever got in crypto, for being honest here. So around 2 weeks or a week and a half ago, my portfolio on Coinbase was looking pretty nice, if I do say so myself. It was at 229,000. Screenshots right over there. I could be wrong. I think it was at $229,000, something like that. And keep in mind, this is after I took money out for my Tesla, just taking profits, all different types of stuff. So my portfolio was looking pretty nice. I was feeling pretty good about myself. I was happy. I was like, yo, Ethereum to the moon, freaking 88 to the moon, Bitcoin, everything is to the moon. I'm feeling great. I'm like, yo, I'm finna be a millionaire in 2 days. You feel me? That's how I'm feeling. And then it happened. Now, I was supposed to make a real in-depth video. I've been telling you I was gonna make an in-depth video on my portfolio, on my different assets that I had, what cryptos I'm invested in, on all different platforms, like what am I doing with my crypto? I was gonna make a video about that. Literally the day before I was gonna make the in-depth video going through my portfolio, showing y'all which investments I'm invested in, which cryptos I got, the market literally crashed and I just got sad, I got depressed, it was just hard, you feel me? I didn't even want to look at my portfolio. Why would I want to make a video showing y'all my portfolio, you feel me? I was looking, I'm like, wow, you ever went to sleep and woke up $40,000 poorer? I slept and lost $40,000. It was the saddest sleep I ever had. I didn't go to sleep again for another week. So I did not want to make the in-depth video. I still should have done it. I am going to do it. Don't worry about it. I will do it. I actually have a bunch of bangers coming out for y'all. So like the video right now, subscribe if you haven't already. But I still will do it. But okay, for example, right? Let's say you just bought a new car, a Lamborghini, boom, driving off the lot, bada bada. You like, when I get home, I'm finna send a picture to all my friends. I'm finna send it to my girlfriend. I'm finna send it to my crush. I'm finna send it to my mom, dad. I'm finna take pictures and send it to everybody, right? You excited? You driving home, vroom, 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 vroom. You got a yellow Aventador, right? Vroom, vroom, vroom. That's the noise it makes. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, 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 crash. You crashed your car. You just got the Lamborghini, you crashed it. Now, when you go home, you don't want to send a picture of that piece of crap. It's all bent up in the front, scrapes on the side. You don't want to send a picture of that. So you're not going to want to take the picture of your Lamborghini until after you get it fixed, right? So that's kind of like the mentality I'm going with the whole not doing the showing, like the different investments I have. I'm still going to do it. Don't sweat it. It's just, it was a small moment of weakness when I forgot that I had HODL tattooed on my freaking chest. So a little 10, 20, 50, 40% decline shouldn't have hurt me. But I'm saying all this, I don't want you guys to panic at all like I did. I should have made this video Well, I wish I had this video around 2 weeks ago when I was sad. I kept refreshing my Coinbase. I didn't open Instagram. I didn't open Snapchat. I didn't open YouTube. If you looked at my other YouTube channel, my main channel, I was not uploading. I was sad. All I was doing was refreshing Coinbase and seeing myself lose money. It's like I was literally taking hundreds of dollars of bills, threw them in some freaking fire and just burning them, watching them burn. I could have spent it on some Chipotle, but instead, what was I doing? Starving myself, not sleeping. It was just a sad time. But like I said, I wish I had this video, so I'm gonna break down the charts. I'm gonna look at the charts, just a little calm breakdown. I ain't finna go too in depth. I wanna make it simple for you guys to understand why I think these things are happening, what is causing it, and also how you can profit instead of panicking how I did. So I've loaded up CoinMarketCap, so we can kind of go through the charts. I just want to show you guys something that's kind of gonna help ease your mind with the whole crash and everything like that. So let's just hop right into this. So here we are on the Ethereum chart right now. I have the chart on the weekly chart. You see right here, 1 week. You could do 1 hour, 24 hour, 1 month, 1 year, all that. Today we're actually up, which is, it feels good to see green. Finally, we're up 5%, which is great. In the past week, we are down 20%. Now, this sucks. 20% does suck. But at a point, there was a time when, at a point, there was a time. Sometimes I don't even English. But at a point, there was a time. I just did the same thing again, didn't I? But at some point, we were down 50%. I saw it on my Coinbase. I refreshed it, I screenshotted it, and I threw my phone out the freaking window. So being down 20% actually sounds pretty good compared to the 50% that I did see. But we're seeing this, and this is bad. I get sad looking at negative 20%, but you have to think on the grand scheme of things, right? I told you guys gonna help ease your mind. You're like, Josiah, why are you showing us we're down 20% the past week? This is not easing my mind. This made me want to sell. No, hodl. The past week we're down, which is correct. And we were down the past 2 weeks, the past 3 weeks, we were down exponentially, you feel me? But what people fail to realize is on a monthly chart, we are still up. No matter, we're still up. In the past month, we're up 18%. Now, when it did crash all the way down here to 1700, we were down a little bit, but we were barely down for that long. It was down there for a couple hours, but on the weekly chart, we are still up 18%. So, even though we did crash from crazy heights being up here to $4,300 all the way down to $2,600, we're still on a monthly chart up, which should help ease your mind just a little bit. And if you look at other charts like ADA right here, the past week is down 23%. When we click the monthly chart, we're up 40%. So this right here literally shows me that this is not the end of crypto, just due to the fact that we're still on an uptrend if we look on a higher scale. But if you're looking very short term, like the past week, the past 2 weeks, we are down, but we're not down forever. That sounds stupid. Honestly, what this shows me is literally just a little correction that we technically needed for the huge amount of growth we've had this past year alone. Like if we click the yearly chart on ADA, it's up 2,800%. That is absolutely ridiculous. So a little bit of retracement. If you look at the chart over here, how do you zoom in on this? You can't. But if you look at the chart over here, you see we had this. So we started down here. I mean, this is how most of the charts look. Let's go to Ethereum actually. So we started off all the way down here last year, 200 bucks. I actually bought in a little less than 200, which was absolutely phenomenal. You feel me? Signals chat coming soon. Not really, unless you want it. But we started off all the way down here the past year. We spiked all the way up here, climb. We had this little retracement over here by 1900 and went all the way back down to a little less than 1400 at one point. I don't know why it doesn't show on this chart. But then we came and had this huge, complete bull run all the way up here to $4,300, and then we came back down and retested the 2,000 area. But over the past year, we're still up 1,200%, which is absolutely amazing. We just had a little retracement to come back down, and we're starting to make a little move to the uptrend right now. Hopefully it sticks or stays in the uptrend and doesn't go back down. But even if it does, it's just a little retracement that we needed just for the huge amount of growth we've had in the past year. It's healthy. It's like, boom. It's like you working out, right? It's like you working out and you keep where I got no example, to be honest. I was gonna just like talk until something came to me, but it just was not coming. I'm not gonna try and do that. But honestly, I've been researching. Y'all know I research a lot. And when I say research, I mean watch 100 million YouTube videos within an hour span on 4x speed and have 4 tabs open. I have one screen right here, one screen right here. I got my MacBook right here. Then I'll be on my phone watching 4 videos. It'd be crazy. I just be watching a bunch of YouTube videos, reading a bunch of articles. But I'm saying all this to say, I've really been trying to find a fundamental reason as to why the market has crashed. There hasn't been anything really hugely bad that has been put out about crypto that would cause it to lose its credit or discredit it. Only thing was the whole China thing, but China has said they was gonna try and ban crypto. But they're not banning crypto, they're banning like the trading of crypto. They've tried to do that in 2017, so that's not really new. I've really been trying to figure out why it's dropped, and the only conclusion I've personally come up with, which I think is a pretty good conclusion, is the past year we've had so much growth. Like I've said, that means a whole bunch of new people are coming into crypto, or more people are putting more money into crypto. But let's say we have a whole bunch of new people coming into crypto. We have a lot more institutions coming in. Elon Musk getting Tesla to invest in crypto, invest in Bitcoin, has made it a lot more credited among other big companies like Visa, PayPal. A lot of other companies is getting into it, right? So we have a bunch of new people getting into it. So these little retracements, or these little 10% retracements, are scaring new people, because then they don't have HODL tattooed across their chest. They don't know what HODL means. Did I say HODL? HODL. HODL. They don't know what HODL means yet. They don't understand crypto fully. They don't trust it fully. It's a bunch of newbies who see a little bit of a drawdown, a little bit of a 10% decrease, and they're like, dang, phone, how you gonna interrupt me? I'm dropping a gem. But they see a little bit of a little drawdown, and they panic sell. So they don't trust crypto. They don't know enough about it to know you're supposed to HODL. You feel me? HODL through the tough times. I didn't even trust crypto, and I've been in crypto for years, and I seen all that red, and I was ready to get my HODL tattoo covered. But back to what I was saying, I think it's a lot of people trusting Elon Musk's tweets too much, or just, it's funny how Elon Musk went from being one of the most loved people in crypto to a lot of people in crypto hating him. I don't know, it's weird how that all changed. Like when he started talking about Bitcoin takes up too much energy, everybody just started hating Elon Musk. I still think he's a cool dude. I just don't think Elon Musk should have that much power over the fluctuation of the crypto market. But back to what I was saying, it's a lot of new people who just got in because of Elon Musk. So when he tweets bad about it, they panic sell. They don't trust none of the fundamentals of crypto. They don't trust crypto itself. They just trust Elon Musk, and Elon Musk played them. There's also a lot of FUD, you feel me? A lot of FUD going on. If you don't know what FUD is, it's fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So like I said, it's a lot of new people coming in. They're not experienced in the game. It's like an army person. Let's say you just joined the army, right? I got more examples. I got examples on examples. This time I have one, you feel me? Let's say you just joined the army. Boom, your base getting attacked. The veteran that's been there for 40 years, he all strapped up, he ready. He like, pop, pop, pop. You ain't finna get my pop, 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 pop. You just joined yesterday. You didn't even go through training yet. They hand you a pistol. You feel me? I was finna say something, but I can't say that on YouTube. But let's just imagine the gun wasn't pointed that way. It was pointed a little closer to you because you couldn't handle the stress. So you just left, you feel me? That was a bad example, huh? I should have not said that one. But like I was saying, it's a lot of FUD, a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt. So it's a lot of people who it's just quick sell. They see a little bit of red, quick sell, which is causing the market to just go down, losing all the new investors. We're not losing them, we're just scaring them off a little bit, but they'll be back. They'll always be back. So it's just create a whole big snowball effect of a bunch of the new investors getting scared, selling off, and just completely butchering my freaking portfolio. So that's why I do think that the market has crashed. That's what I've come up with. But I won't say the market has crashed. It's just had a little bit of a drop off, but nothing crazy. We'll be back to the moon soon. We just have to take a break, get some gas, you feel me? And now we're finna go back to the moon soon, hopefully. But a lot of people have asked me how you can benefit on this whole downtrend, if you should buy in more, put some more money in it. And I have a little bit of advice for y'all so y'all can profit instead of panicking like these newbies that just got into the market. So first of all, everybody asks me, okay, Ethereum is down $2,000. Should I put $100 into it right now? Should I put $1,000, $100,000? This is my answer. Dollar cost average. Because we've all seen the memes on Twitter where it's like when you buy the dip and the dip keeps dipping. That basically means, let's say you bought in at $3,000 because it was at $4,000 and it dropped all the way down to $3,000. Now you're like, okay, it's at $3,000. It has to go back up now. You put $100,000 into it, right? And it keeps going back down to $2,000. Then you're like, dang, I'm negative on my $100,000 investment. Versus you have $100,000 set aside that you want to invest, and you put it on a automation thingy on Coinbase, where it's like it takes out $10,000 every week or $10,000 every 2 weeks or whatever. So you're casually putting or constantly putting money in. Therefore, if you invested, you started the automation at $3,000 and the price keeps going all the way back down to $2,000, you're still investing at a lower and lower point. That way you can get as close to investing in the bottom of the dip as possible. So always dollar cost averaging these type of things. Constantly put money in. Do not put a big lump sum in, because it is almost impossible to predict the complete bottom of a trend. So that's why you should dollar cost average, consistently putting it in, whether it be daily, weekly, monthly, but just putting money in at a automated time. What am I talking about? You know what I'm talking about. Just constantly putting money in. That way you can dollar cost average and not just put $100,000 in and hope this is the bottom of the downtrend. Next step is you have to realize, man, we're in it for the long term. If you came into the crypto game to make $1 billion in 2 days, this is not the market for you. You feel me? That is very unlikely. None of us are in here to become millionaires in 2 days. Well, I know it's probably not gonna happen. So I'm saying all this, hodl, man. Hodl. You feel me? Don't worry about the small downs we have, because like I said, if you look on the yearly chart, we're still up, baby. So just hold it. Just hold. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a CPA. We're just friends. But just hold it, you feel me? Because in the long term, it will go up. And if you're still sad when you look at your Coinbase wallet or anything else, whatever wallet you got, it's another trick for y'all. Go on Coinbase, do what I did before. Don't press the daily, don't press the weekly, don't press the monthly, press the yearly, you feel me? See all the percentage gains that you've made, see how well you've done in the past year, and it will help you understand that this month of red does not compare to the months or year of green we've had. So that is the end of the video. Hope you guys were able to enjoy me being sad about losing over $100,000. I'm still mad. I went to sleep and woke up $40,000 poor. I'm still mad about that. But if I can survive this, you can survive losing $1 million. That didn't make no sense. But before you leave, use my link inside the description. Sign up for Coinbase if you haven't already. This is a good time to get into it. Start dollar cost averaging it, because we are at a low point, you feel me? And like I said, there's no real fundamentals that's making it seem like crypto is crashing. So there's actually been a lot of good news that's coming out about crypto. There's a lot of developments. So I do believe crypto will be spiking up very, very soon. So this is a good time to get into it. Use my link inside the bio down below. Inside the description down below for Coinbase. If you sign up and deposit $100, you'll get $10 free Bitcoin. So do that, get yourself some free money. That's free Chipotle meal right there. And I hope y'all have $1 billion in your Coinbase account by tomorrow. Goodbye.